Now, the Income Tax Department has secured a major victory in the Supreme Court. The top court has upheld the tax department's power to issue reassessment notices from April 2021 under the old tax regime. Ashmit is here to give us a background to this case and explain the significance. Ashmit, many thanks. A big leg up for the Revenue Department.
Well, big leg up for the tax department, and clearly clarity coming in for as many as 90,000 reassessment cases. Bear in mind, this reassessment was for the period of between 2013-14 and 2017-18. Now, within this period, now it's important to understand that under the Income Tax Department, reassessments cannot be done for an indefinite period of time. There is a time bar that is geared into the Income Tax Act. During the COVID pandemic, the deadline, the issue that arose, and this was something that was flagged by the government, they came out with the legislation that provided for an extension of this deadline for assessments, for reassessments that were falling within that COVID pandemic. This was defined, the deadline was extended till 30th of June 2021. The problem arose when through Finance Act of 2021, there was a revamped version of this reassessment scheme, which became effective as of 1st of April 2021, and thereby raising the confusion and the chaos as to what happens to reassessment notices issued between 1st of April 2021 and 30th of June 2021. There were 90,000 of them. The question that arose is that, do those reassessments have to be done under the old regime or the new regime? The tax department had issued those 90,000 notices under the old regime. That has been answered in favor of the tax department. The Apex Court has held that mere enactment of a new regime, which is the Finance Act of 2021, does not bar the tax department's hand from going ahead and issuing those reassessment notices under the prior regime. This, of course, is subject to a huge number of safeguards and caveats that the Apex Court has added. But what it effectively does is that the old regime is still kosher, is still good for reassessment notices that were issued after 1st of April 2021.
Well, Ashmit, it's also been a busy day for you in court, from ordering a reprieve for the Isha Foundation to slamming states over stubble burning. Take us through the other big developments at the Apex Court today.
Well, here's a quick wrap at three major cases.